The decision to pass vote of confidence on Governor Ibrahim Gaidam put to rest rumors being peddled of purported impeachment plans by the House members. After deliberating extensively, the members showered encomium on the governor for transforming Yobe State in all spheres of human endeavor.
And also the closing plan as our candidate for all progressive Congress, ABC, for 2015 election.
The House leader Alhaji Usman Adamu said the House remains united. The lawmakers had at the sitting considered and approved an executive bill for payment in the 2014 budget to complete ongoing road construction projects across the state. In Damaturu, Husseine Mohammed Isa, NTA News.